Okay, I'm back. Anyway, you're going to open up the doc that says it's called Online Peer Review. That gives you the directions, which I'm going to go through right now. Then you're going to open up the doc that says online, it says like peer review rubric. I think that's what it's called. So you're going to type the introduction to the Gandhi prompt into the document that says peer review rubric. Okay, there's a spot for it, like you'll see it. It says type your introduction here. You're typing your introduction to a rhetorical analysis essay. Like the prompt that is on that text, that's the one you're writing the introduction to. So you're pretending that you're taking the test and you're writing the intro to that rhetorical analysis. So you're going to type it right into that. Then you are going to share that rubric with your partner. Okay, so you should have one shared with you and you should be sharing one to your partner. Make sense? Okay, so then once you share it to your partner, leave it. When you get one shared back with you, like your partner will share theirs back with you, you're going to read your partner's introduction, and then you are going to fill out the peer review rubric that's right underneath their introduction. Type right into it. Yes? Okay. Obviously, all of this starts by you guys making a copy of that original document, so not everybody's typing into the same document, right? Once you're done reviewing your partner's introduction, share the doc back, or just like let them know that your rubric is, your review is done. They and you are going to read what they wrote about your writing, and then you're going to answer the reflection questions at the bottom. I feel like this sounds confusing while I'm saying it, but if you just follow the steps that I'm posting on Classroom, it should go pretty easily. If something happens, okay, your partner never gets in touch with you, I don't know, something, whatever, text me and let me know. We will figure something out, okay? But you're going to open up that the instructions sheet first, the instructions doc first, read through the instructions, find who your partner is, okay? Once you do that, you're going to open up the second doc that says peer review rubric, make a copy of it, type your intro right up at the top where it says to type it, and then share that doc with your partner. They'll fill out the rubric about your writing, you'll get it back, you'll answer the reflection at the bottom, okay? And then you'll post it to Classroom. I hope this works. Peer editing, while not in the same classroom, is a giant pain, but I think it's worth it. This is a good practice for writing introductions anyway. If I were you, I would use the rhetorical analysis worksheet that you did the other day, like the one that I posted Monday or Tuesday. Use that to frame your introduction. Just kind of like let it take you through step by step, and use that to piece together your intro. It's like a nice little intro template that you could give a shot to and see if you like it. It ends you with an open thesis where you're not laying out and describing the rhetorical devices that he uses specifically, but you're more referring to them in a general way, which opens up the essay for you to write. When you look at the rubric, okay, I gave you like a sample introduction there, so you can kind of look and see what I did and maybe model yours after that. Totally up to you. Anywho, that's it. Friday Google Meet is now canceled because they restructured Fridays. Now it's going to be something where you're like getting one assignment every Friday from a different subject area teacher, and then you all have to do that. Like this Friday is phys ed. I don't exactly... I'm pretty sure I follow it, but anyway, that's your job for Friday, is to check in on Classroom and see what the phys ed teachers have posted for you. And then every subject is going to have another week. So English will be at some point. I do want to see your faces, so we'll schedule something for next week where I can see you guys and we can maybe talk. Next week is going to be a new rhetorical analysis text. I'm going to do something pre-20th century. We're going to work on body paragraphs and, kind of work our way through the parts of the essay. This is more or less review at this point, guys. So, we're working our way through, and we're going to start kind of picking out the finer points of the essay, and we'll do body paragraphs next week, and then we'll talk about, go over reviewing embedding quotes and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to talk to you guys soon about what I think will suit you best to have out when you are actually taking the test, like what notes are going to be a good thing for you to have in front of you. And that's it. Okay. Miss you all. I hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.